Every year, travelers watch the baggage carousel stop, and their suitcase never shows up. Not delayed, not rerouted, just gone. And here's what most people don't realize. When luggage disappears, it's often not an accident, and it's not always the airline's fault. One small mistake at check-in or baggage claim can make your bag an easy target, turning a smooth trip into stress, wasted time, and lost essentials. In this video, we're exposing 9 simple, proven ways smart travelers protect their luggage from check-in to arrival, so your bag makes it to the carousel every single time. Stay with us, because the last tip is the one most travelers overlook, and it's often the difference between flying home relaxed or filing a lost baggage claim. Let's dive in. Number 1. Choose the right luggage. Your first line of defense: not all luggage is created equal. Some bags are practically begging to be tampered with, while others are engineered to frustrate thieves before they even get started. Soft-sided suitcases might look convenient and lightweight, but they're also an easy target. A sharp object can cut through them in seconds. Instead, invest in a durable hardshell case made from polycarbonate, aluminum, or another reinforced material. These bags send a clear signal: not today, thief. Double zipper systems are another essential feature. Single zippers can be easily manipulated or opened with common tricks, whereas interlocking or anti-theft zippers make unauthorized access far more difficult. Minimize external compartments. While tempting for quick access, these pockets are the first place a thief will target. A sleek, streamlined suitcase may not hold extra snacks at arm's reach, but it's far less appealing to someone with sticky fingers. Remember, sometimes less really is more. Number 2. Outsmart the sneaky pen trick. There's a surprisingly simple tactic that airport thieves use, known as the pen trick. With just a basic ballpoint pen, someone can pry open a zipper and gain access to your belongings without leaving obvious damage. The solution? Make your zippers as resistant as possible. Anti-puncture zippers are designed to withstand attempts like this, essentially acting as armor for your bag. For those willing to invest a bit more, zipperless luggage offers an even higher level of security. Using latches or combination locks instead of traditional zippers, these suitcases turn the tables on would-be thieves. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, and it can save you from major headaches later. Number 3. TSA-approved locks. More than just a formality, some travelers dismiss TSA-approved locks as a joke, but they still serve a critical purpose. A locked bag isn't impenetrable, but it communicates to potential thieves that accessing your belongings won't be easy or quick. When selecting a lock, avoid cheap plastic options. Look for robust, tamper-resistant metal locks with a reliable combination mechanism. Key locks are risky. Losing a key in the middle of a trip is an inconvenience nobody wants. For added security, consider a cable lock to secure multiple zippers or attach your bag to a fixed point. This extra layer of protection transforms a suitcase from an easy target into a challenge no casual thief will attempt. Number 4. Security tape and tamper-evident seals. Sometimes, the simplest methods are the most effective. Security tape and tamper-evident seals act as a visual warning system for your luggage. Apply tape along the seams or zippers of your suitcase. Any attempt to open the bag will leave clear evidence of tampering. Similarly, tamper-evident seals, stickers, or tags that break when moved provide instant proof if someone has interfered with your luggage. Here's a pro tip. Choose bright colors or personalized designs for your seals. This makes it even easier to spot interference and can discourage someone from attempting theft in the first place. Number 5. Embrace technology. GPS trackers and smart luggage. We live in a connected world, so why not let technology protect your belongings? GPS trackers are compact devices that slip into your bag, letting you monitor its location in real time. Some even send alerts if your suitcase moves outside a predetermined zone. Smart luggage takes this to another level. Modern models come equipped with built-in GPS, electronic locks, and even USB charging ports. Some can notify you if your suitcase moves without your presence, giving you control and peace of mind in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Technology doesn't replace vigilance, but it gives you an edge, turning your suitcase into a miniature security system you can monitor from your phone. Number 6. Keep irreplaceable items in your carry-on. Here's a rule no traveler should ignore. Never check in anything you cannot afford to lose. Essential items, passports, cash, electronics, jewelry, or critical documents should always remain with you in a carry-on bag. Additionally, pack a change of clothes, basic toiletries, and any must-have items in your carry-on. Even if your checked luggage goes missing temporarily, you'll have everything you need to continue your trip without major disruption. By thinking of your carry-on as both a personal safe and a backup suitcase, you can reduce stress and avoid potential disasters while traveling. Number 7. Camouflage your bag. Disguised to protect, sometimes the best defense is blending in. Attractive, brand-new luggage can unintentionally draw attention, signaling to thieves that your bag contains valuable items. A simple solution is a luggage cover or a visually unremarkable bag. Choose muted colors, older-looking materials, or pattern covers that make your suitcase look less appealing. Add a few random stickers or travel labels to break up its appearance. The goal is to make your bag look ordinary, not like a treasure chest. A bag that doesn't stand out is far less likely to be targeted, allowing you to travel with more confidence. Number 8. Document everything. Evidence is your ally. Before even heading to the airport, document your luggage meticulously. Take photos of the packed bag, its exterior, and its contents. Make an inventory list of all valuable items, noting distinctive features or markings. This step isn't just for insurance claims. Photos and records make reporting a lost or stolen bag far more straightforward, and they provide proof if a dispute arises with the airline. Think of yourself as a detective preparing for any eventuality. A well-documented suitcase is easier to recover and ensures you're not left guessing if something goes wrong. Number 9. Travel insurance. A vital safety net. Finally, let's talk travel insurance. It may not be the most thrilling purchase, but its value cannot be overstated. When selecting a policy, ensure it covers lost, delayed, or stolen luggage, and importantly, the contents inside. Some policies only reimburse the cost of replacing a bag, not the items within it. Understanding the specifics can save you thousands of dollars in a worst-case scenario. Also, familiarize yourself with your airline's baggage policies. Compensation for delayed or lost luggage varies widely between carriers and situations. Doing your research ahead of time ensures you're prepared, informed, and financially protected. And there you have it. 9 proven ways to protect your luggage and travel without worry. From choosing the right suitcase to leveraging technology, documenting your belongings, and embracing smart travel habits, each step adds a layer of security that can make all the difference. Travel should be about discovering new places, experiencing different cultures, and creating memories, not stressing over missing bags or stolen belongings. With these strategies, you can confidently navigate airports and enjoy your journey to the fullest. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had luggage go missing or been the victim of baggage theft? Or maybe you have your own tricks to safeguard your possessions while traveling. Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. And remember, the best travel memories are made when you're prepared, vigilant, and ready for anything. Safe travels.